The best way to protect yourself, your family, and your community is to be informed. In this section, we'll discuss the Freedom of Information Act, called FOIA, and the Louisiana Public Records Act. These laws, at both the federal and state level, ensure that you have access to the public information you need in order to know about what is going on around you. For instance, you can seek to find out if someone in your community is complying with environmental regulations, has been polluting, or is creating a potential hazard. To learn how others have used these laws, meet Suzanne Neal with Concerned Citizens Around Murphy and St. Bernard Parish, who has spent years accessing the information she has needed to protect her community.
When I first found out about the Freedom of Information Act, I felt angry because we were asking for information and we weren't receiving it.
While using the Freedom of Information Act may not always be easy, it is the best tool to gain access to public information. Suzanne found this out the hard way following a massive oil spill that devastated her community.
When the storm surge came from the north, it affected the tank farm as it did the entire community, and it caused about 1 million gallons of crude oil to spill throughout our community.
After the oil spill, Suzanne and members of Concerned Citizens Around Murphy wanted to ensure that the refinery would rebuild in a way that would be safer for the community. To do this, they sought documents using the Freedom of Information Act and the Louisiana Public Records Act. If you decide to seek out public records, first determine whether your issue relates to a federal or state activity. If it is a federal action, you will use FOIA. If your problem relates to state action, you can rely on the Louisiana Public Records Act. Your request can include reports and even email correspondence between government employees. Meet Barry Cole, who has many years of experience using these laws and will share with us how to get this information.
Be very specific in requesting the information that you need. The more specific you are, the more likely that you'll get a quicker response. It's better to do a series of FOIA requests that are more specific and narrowly defined than it would be a large nebulous request which could take months for that agency to fulfill.
In addition to Barry's suggestions, Suzanne offers a few more tips she picked up while requesting government documents.
Always maintain a good relationship with those people that you'll be receiving or asking the information of, and to be persistent. Politely persistent, and to civilly engage.
This is your Louisiana, your environment, and it's your right to information.